children, today let's make a paper origami castle craft. So first of all, we need to take an A4 size paper like this. Let's fold this into half. We need to press it firmly. Now the first half we need to fold backwards, exactly overlapping the backward portion. And in the same way, we need to do it this side. So we can see we have got folds like this here. Now we can do our sketching on this. So as this is a castle craft, let's draw different kind of colorful castles here. First of all, we need to use a pencil and we need to draw our drawing on the first portion. Let's make it a bit funky and colorful. So the first castle is ready. Let's move to second castle. We have this window and this door there. Now the top part. Window is wide open here. Let's make it like an ice cream scoop. So this is deliciously beautiful. Two eyes and one smiley there and some windows to peep out. And now the last one. If you wish, you can make different kind of designs there according to your choice. Let's make a giant door there. So the basic drawing is ready, we can see. Let's trace this with a black marker and then we can fill in the colors and do the cutouts. Tracing with black marker is complete. Now let's start coloring it using any colors of your choice. You can take any colors like crayons or pastels or pencil colors. So children, here the funny castles have been traced with black marker and now let's color it. Let's color it in multicolor. So the first castle drawing and coloring is done. Students, why do we call it origami castle drawing art? Because this is a paper folding art. Origami means paper folding. So because we have folds here and we'll make it as standy, so we called it origami craft. Now let's move to another castle. You can create different kind of designs and patterns in these parts of the castle. So I'll just fill up any other color in the middle portion. Let's randomly just do any kind of circles or any other kind of designs over there. The ice cream castle. Let's move to the fourth castle. Let's color the flower in bright yellow. I'm just adding randomly some designs here to make it more beautiful. So children, all the 4 castles drawing is complete. We have colored it as well. Now let's grab a scissor and let's cut out these portions so that we just get the castle. So be careful with your scissors and let's cut it. We carefully need to cut off this top part above the castle. So students, you can see these. The cutout is done and the castle is ready. So this origami castle craft is complete now. We have just nicely colored this in multicolor colors, and we have cut out the topmost part, and now this has become a standee. It can stand this way. So students, you can see this can stand like this, and it's an origami standee paper craft. Hope you have enjoyed doing this as much as I did. Stay looped it for more such fun videos. Thank you.